Hello guys, in this video, I'll show you how to install Super TV on your iPhone so you can discover your favorite movies and show right on your mobile device. Super TV has become a very popular choice for entertainment fans because of its smart search features and easy to use interface. Today, I will show you how to get the official version from the App Store and how to set it up for the best experience. The first step is to open the App Store on your iPhone. In the search bar at the type in Super TV. You should see an app with a blue icon labeled Super TV Movies and TV Series. It is developed by Omer Soya and is officially available for device running iOS 16 or later. Tap to get the button and use your Face ID or password to start the download. Once the app is installed, go ahead and open it up. You will notice right away that the interface is very clean and professional. The main feature of this app is the AI Movie Finder. If you are not sure what to watch, you can simply describe a plot or a story in the search box, and the artificial intelligence will find the perfect match for you in seconds. This is a great for those nights when you spend more time scrolling than actually watching. To get the most out of the app, you should create your own personal library. You can save your favorite movies and create custom watch lists so you always have something ready to go.